One of the most powerful ways to increase conversions in your funnel is by asking the right questions and using those answers to guide every step that follows. That's exactly what surveys and ClickFunnels are for. In this video, let's build an interactive survey that lives right inside your funnel, so you can segment your leads, personalize their journey, and trigger powerful automations behind the scenes. Based off of their answers, they can be sent to the exact funnel path that makes sense for them. Whether you're qualifying leads, tailoring a product bundle, or just learning more about your audience, surveys let you turn a generic funnel into a personalized experience that converts higher and builds trust faster. Let's jump in. All right, here in our ClickFunnels workspace, we need to head over to the Survey Workflow app. I've already installed it, as you can see here on the left-hand side, but if you haven't, go ahead and tap on the Add Apps button here. Search for or scroll down until you see the Survey Workflows app and then add it into your account. With it installed, it'll redirect you over to the survey creation screen. I'm going to click Cancel so we can see the main page first. Now, as surveys are created, they'll appear here on the main screen. Let's create one by clicking on Add a new survey workflow. I'll give it a name like Content Preference Quiz and then hit Create. This is going to bring us over to our survey canvas. This is where we can build our entire workflow, the questions, the logic, and what happens after someone answers. Let's start by collecting some contact information first. Clicking on the plus icon brings up several different question types. I'll first select Contact Info and edit the details. You can customize the title and subtitle to something like, "Let's personalize your experience. Enter your info to begin." I'm also going to toggle phone number off here because we don't need it. Okay, once it's set, click Save Changes. Now we'll go ahead and add a question for this demo, the one that powers our funnel logic. Click on the plus icon again and then choose Add Question. Under the question type, this time I'm going to choose Choice. This gives us a multiple choice format with a single answer selection, which is perfect for redirecting traffic. I'll go ahead and set the headline to, "How do you prefer to learn?" Then we'll add the 3 answer options. Video, written, and audio. I'm also going to make sure that the Allow Multiple Answers is turned off. We want to make sure that they choose one format so we can send them down the right funnel path. Be sure to save your changes. All right, now comes the magic, redirecting them based on how they answered. We'll go ahead and tap here, and then I'll choose Add Split. This is going to create a logic branch. I'll now click inside the split, and we can select Add Rules. Here we set up the rules to apply the situation. So I'll select When, Answer to, and then our question, which is how do you prefer to learn? And then I'll set Is equal to, let's select Video. So now we have a rule in place, which is when someone answers video to our question. Now let's finish that sentence. When someone answers video, we need to redirect them. I'll select the split again, and then from the options, I'll pick Change Target. Update it to Redirect, and then click Submit. Now I'll tap on the redirect, and we can see there's an error because we don't have a URL to redirect to. Before we grab URLs, let's add 2 more splits to add audio and text. That way, everyone has a redirect option based on their answer. Okay, now with all 3 set up, I'm going to open up a second window and quickly hop over to our funnels. This is a basic opt-in funnel with 3 separate thank you pages set up with different media types. I'm going to copy the URLs and paste them into our survey workflow redirects so we can close the loop on the survey. All right, perfect. Now to recap, we now have a contact info form, a single question asking how they like to learn, and then redirect logic based on their answers. This is already a fully working quiz, and we did it in just a few minutes. Next, let's add a survey to an actual funnel page so visitors can start using it. Head back to your main ClickFunnels dashboard and open up the funnel or landing page where you want this survey to appear. I'm going to jump back into the opt-in funnel and open up the first page in the page editor. On the page editor, I'll remove anything if need be, and then I'll add an element right here. In the search bar, type survey. Then tap or drag the survey element into the layout where you want the quiz to appear. Initially, you'll see a default sample survey. Don't worry, we're about to replace it with the one we just built. Tapping on the survey element will bring up the settings panel on the right-hand side. In the dropdown under Choose a Survey Workflow, we'll select the one we just created. In my case, it's called Content Preference Quiz. And now the page is actually pulling live data from that workflow, meaning everything that we just built, including the contact info, question, logic, and redirects, are all fully active. Now, a quick note, when you add your survey in, it might not fit your page exactly how you want. All of the options to edit the survey, like font size, button color, progress bar style, input field sizing, those are all here in the settings. You can spend some time to match your funnel's aesthetic pretty quickly. I've already made the changes here, so I'm going to jump over to a second page where it's already presentable. Okay, and once you're happy with everything, click Save in the top right. Let's go ahead and preview how it looks. Okay, we can see the survey showing up. Let's go ahead and test it. I'll select video, and everything works as we just set up in the survey workflows. So now we've taken your survey from an internal workflow and embedded it right into your funnel, fully connected, fully functional, and personalized based on how your visitors respond. Next up, let's talk about how to track your results and see who submitted answers and where they land. When someone fills out your survey, ClickFunnels automatically creates a contact record for them and logs their answers so you can review, segment, and follow up. Here's where to find all of that. From your ClickFunnels dashboard, tap on Contacts in the top left. Here you'll see a list of everyone who submitted their info through your funnels, including who came through your survey. We can see the contact that I just created from submitting the survey. At the top, you can see the name, email, where it was created, and any tags or attributes. Now I'm going to click on the Marketing tab at the top of the profile, and I'll scroll down to the section labeled Survey. Here you can see the name of the survey they completed, a timestamp of when it was submitted, and each question and answer that they provided. This is perfect if you want to understand audience preferences, qualify leads manually, or just double check your logic is working correctly. All right, that about covers everything with surveys within ClickFunnels. We built a fully functioning survey, connected it to our funnel, personalized the experience based on visitors' answers, and learned how to track everything on the back end. It doesn't matter if you're segmenting leads, tailoring offers, or just getting to know your audience better. Surveys gives you a powerful way to turn a static funnel into something dynamic and personal. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We're happy to help you win with ClickFunnels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.